Hi, good morning, friends. I hope you guys had a wonderful Easter and a good long weekend away from school, but not really at school. Anyways, okay, I'm going to go over the things that I want you working on this week. Everything that is assigned to you this week is going to be due on Sunday, April 19th at 11:59 as normal, okay? So here's your article. It's called How You See Yourself. It's all about self-image, okay? And just as we kind of go through this, I'm going to show you the comment tool again. So I've already read this. So this last sentence kind of stuck out to me. So something that sticks out to you that you want to comment on. You'll highlight it like this, and this image of ourselves influences how we act and present ourselves. Click the comment, the little plus button, and then you'll type your comment. Okay, write your comment, click comment, and it appears out to the right hand side. A lot of you have been emailing me or texting me and telling me, Miss Dunbar, when I turn this in, my comments disappear. I think that that's just a view on you because I can see everything, okay? So don't worry if it disappears. I can see it whenever I open it up. I see all of your comments out here to the right hand side through the whole article whenever I open it up in my view, okay? So don't worry if it acts like it disappears, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Okay, so then you have your vocabulary, and your words are interact, consistent, forged, stable, convinced, and sync, okay? Scroll down, you have your multiple choice, directions, highlight your answer choice in a different color, okay? So for example, if I was gonna choose answer B, and guys, I don't know if this is the answer or not, okay? I'm gonna highlight my answer. Go to this little marker right here, choose a color, it doesn't matter what color it is, and make sure that the answer choice you're choosing turns to a different color, okay, so that I know, all right? So I'm gonna go back and change that, okay? Scroll down, and then you have section C, which is short answer. There's a little video from philosophycommunication.com I want you to watch. Question number one is asking you to look at the text and the video for your answer, and then questions 2 and 3 is pretty much your opinion. So just be real and be honest in your answer for those, okay? So that's all in your article with the assignments that go with it. The next thing you're going to work on is called the self-image challenge, okay? So since you're reading about self-image, I want you to kind of challenge yourself to learn about what your self-image is through your eyes and through somebody else's eyes, okay? So you are going to choose one picture and 5 adjectives that you think describe yourself, and you're going to post them in one side. Then you're going to have a friend or a family member or somebody that lives with you choose a different picture and 5 different adjectives that they think describe you. Then you're going to post those on a different slide, okay? So the picture and the adjectives have to be different. So you're going to have 2 different pictures and 10 different adjectives, okay? So here's an example. I've already created the template for you, okay? So on the left-hand side, under where it says picture of you, you're going to drop the picture you chose. It tells you right here, you choose the picture, okay? So drop the picture that you like the best right there, and it needs to be current, okay? And then on the other side, on the right-hand side, you're going to choose the 5 words, so the 5 adjectives, okay? So these are the adjectives I chose. Hardworking, athletic, confident, I just liked this one better. Mommy, and beautiful, okay? So this is the one that I did, okay? Then I had my husband do the opposite one do the other one for the family, okay? So over here, friend or family chooses the picture. He chose this picture, so I dropped it in there. Okay, and then on the right side for the adjectives, friend or family chooses 5 words. He chose compassionate, driven, joyful, adventurous, and faithful. Okay, so I just dropped those words in there. Okay, so those 2 are my example. Remember, the first one, you are choosing the picture and the words. The second one, you are having a friend or a family member or someone that lives with you or that you can talk to on the phone or whatever it is, choose the picture and the 5 words, and then you'll drop them in there. Okay? And then the next thing, I created the template for you, so you're working inside the same template, okay? It tells you right here. You choose the picture, so you'll drop the picture of your choice in this box, and then you choose 5 words. So you'll drop 5 adjectives here that you think describe you best, okay? Then you will have somebody, your family member, your friend, your whatever, friend or family will choose the picture that they want of you, and you'll drop it there, and then they will come up with 5 adjectives that they think describe you best, and you'll drop those there, okay? So all I did for the adjectives, guys, for the words, is I just did a Google search on images and kind of cropped and copied and pasted. That's all I did, okay? So that's that. And then you have your reading log for this week. I already took out Monday, so you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, okay? So that's all I have right now. I'm gonna work on getting some announcements together for you guys and push those out to you. You do have grades in Skyward now, and you also have grades in Google Classroom. But the most important thing that you're paying attention to is Skyward. Also, if you did not receive full credit on something, it's probably most likely because you didn't annotate your article. You didn't answer each section of the article assignments, or you left that a day on a writing log or a reading log. You can receive full credit for everything that you have done. You just have to go back in and redo it. So look at what the grade was given to you. If you're not sure, email me, ask me. I will go back and look as well and tell you what you need to work on. I think I've been commenting on your assignments in Google Classroom, telling you if you would like full credit, please go back and complete this, or whatever the words are that I used. Okay, so you have that option. That's totally fine with me. Like I said, I'll push out some announcements later today or tomorrow. I will be live for you guys around 1 o'clock or so today, and I'll post that link in Google Classroom. That way you can pop on if you have questions or anything like that. Remember, you can use the phone number that I posted to text me if you're more comfortable with that. Other than that, that's all I have. I hope you guys have a great week. I miss you. I love you. And please keep working hard and don't drive your parents too crazy. All right. Bye, guys.